We're here at Computer Brothers finding out what's so cool about manufacturing.
My name is Wade Smith. I'm the Executive Director of Production with Caputo Brothers Creamery.
Hi, my name is David Caputo. I am one of the owners of Caputo Brothers Creamery here in Spring Grove.
My name is Ren Caputo. I am the founder and CEO of Caputo Brothers Creamery.
The most exciting part of my job is the constant pursuit of improving our processes. So there's a lot of repetitive things in manufacturing, whether it be food or non-food. We happen to obviously be cheesemakers, but it's a lot of the same repetitive actions over and over in varying volumes. So what I kind of dial in on is the pursuit of improving our processes, and in doing so, that keeps each day pretty fresh.
It could literally change at any moment. There might be a day when I'm in the kitchen. We have a restaurant here, so there may be any number of food production scenarios that need to be either managed in the kitchen or produced. Or there is the cheese making aspect of the business, which means I might be making cheese, which I don't do as much of anymore. We have a full cheese making team that handles most of that. And then of course there's the things that you never think about with your own business, which is we started a cheese business, but then you have employees, you have a building that needs maintenance, you have other customers and things that require paperwork, administration, all of that type of thing that has to be taken care of. So we have to do that.
Early on, we figured out that the knowledge that we had in making these traditional Italian-style cheeses didn't really exist in this country. And so if we were going to hire cheesemakers, we were going to have to hire people that didn't have that knowledge and really didn't have anywhere else to get that training besides us. And so for us, what we had to do was put together a program. We call it a cheese apprenticeship, where we can take someone who's got a passion for food, take them, put them through this program where we can actually train them, and when they're done, they can actually make the cheeses that we make.